Hello students and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to start with height and distance part 2. In part 1 video we already discussed the concept of height and distance, that what is angle of elevation, what is angle of depression, and we also solved certain questions related to the same concept. Now in this part also we are going to solve certain questions related to that concept only, but now the language of the question is changed. So the question is, the length of the shadow of a vertical tower on a level ground increases by 10 meter when altitude of sun changes from 45 degree to 30 degree. Calculate height of the tower. See now what they are saying, length of the shadow of a vertical tower. This is vertical tower. This AB is what? It is a vertical tower. I'll consider its height to be h. Now its shadow. That means first of all the angle of elevation was 45 degree. When the altitude of the sun changes from 45 to 30 degree, that means पहले क्या था 45 degree and then this elevation became 30 degree. So the length of the shadow of a vertical tower increases by 10 meter. Let's suppose this is length of the vertical tower, this is length of the shadow which is x, but now it increased by 10 meter. That means this is 10 meter. So this total will be what? X plus 10. Now we have to find h. So what we'll do, in triangle ABC, I'll consider this point to be C and this point to be D. In triangle ABC, we have to write, before this we have to write the theory portion, that is, let AB be the height of the tower and this BC is the shadow of the tower when inclined at an angle of 45 degree, and BD is the shadow of the tower when inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Thus BC is x and DC is 10. So BD is what? X plus 10. We have to write all these things over here. I am only solving the solution part. Now see, in triangle ABC, since we are talking about perpendicular and base, so I'll take what? Tan 45. Tan 45 will be h by x. Tan 45 is 1. So x is equals to what? 1. Now in triangle ABD, sorry, x is equals to h. In triangle ABD, again tan 30 degree is what? H by BD. So BD is x plus 10. H is 1 by root 3. So in place of x, I'll put h plus 10. Thus h plus 10 is equals to root 3h. So we'll get root 3h minus h equals 10. H will be common. So root 3 minus 1 is equals to 10. So h will be what? 10 by root 3 minus 1. Now we'll rationalize it. H is 10 by root 3 minus 1. So rationalize करेंगे तो root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. So we'll get 10 into root 3 plus 1. And नीचे देखिए a minus b and a plus b की identity will put. So we'll get a square minus b square. So root 3 का square is 3. 3 minus 1 will get 2. So 2 ones are and 2 fives are. Thus height of the tower is what? 5 into root 3 plus 1 meter. See now the question is, an observer on the top of a cliff of 200 meter above sea level observes angle of depression of two ships to be 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find distance between ships if ships are, first case is on the same side of the cliff and second case is on the opposite side of the cliff. See, when I'll take on same side of cliff, let's suppose this is the cliff, this is a sea level. Now what they are saying, height of this cliff is 200 meter. They told this, here is observer at an angle of depression. So ship is over here. horizontal से इसका distance is 45 degree, I mean angle will be 45 degree, so this angle is also 45 degree. Now similarly there is another ship which is at point D, so this will be what, 30 degree. This angle of depression is 30 degree. Now we have to calculate distance between ship, that means we have to calculate DC. Second case is on opposite side. Let's suppose this is a cliff, so here is one ship and here is another ship. This is AB, this point is C and this point will be D. So angle of depression over here I'll take 45 degree and from here I'll take 30 degree. So here distance is what, between two ships, CD. Now we'll solve it. So when we'll solve it, in triangle ABC, tan 45 is equals to what, AB by BC. So it is 1, AB by BC. So AB will be what, BC. This is first part. Now AB is what, 200 meters. So I'll write here what, 200. So BC is equals to 200 meter. We got it. Similar manner, we'll get here also 200 meter BC. Now we have to calculate what, CD. So for CD, if we have to calculate CD, so we need to calculate what, BD. So I'll again take in triangle ABD, tan 30 is equals to 200 by BD. Tan 30 is what, 1 by root 3. So BD is equals to what, 200 root 3. Now we have to calculate CD. So CD will be BD minus BC. BD is 200 root 3 minus 200. So I'll take 200 as common. So it will become root 3 minus 1 meter. Now but if the question is given that both the ships are on opposite side, in same manner we'll calculate in triangle ABC, tan 45 is what, AB by BC. So here we'll get, as we have solved earlier, BC is what, 200 meter and BD will get what, 200 root 3 meter, because the values are same. But in this question CD will be what, BC plus BD. So BC is 200 plus 200 root 3. So the answer will be 200, I'll take common, 1 plus root 3 meter. We can put the value of root 3 over here, that is 1.732, and we can solve it further. So see, this is how we are calculating the questions of height and distance. We only have to understand the language of the question and we have to draw a diagram. Solution part is same in each and every question. So now the question is, from a point on the ground, see how we have to make figure, from a point on the ground. So this is a point on the ground, A point, angle of elevation of the top of vertical tower. So I'll consider this as a tower. CD is the tower. Now from point on the ground, this A is a point. Angle of elevation of top of vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 3 by 5. That means this angle is given to us. I'll suppose this angle to be alpha. So we are provided with tan alpha is what, 3 by 5. On walking 50 meter towards the tower, 50 meter अगर हम towards the tower हम move करते हैं, so let's suppose this point is B, this is 50 meter, angle becomes 4 by 5. So I'll suppose this angle to be beta and this height is what, h. So tan beta is what, 4 by 5. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate height. In triangle BCD, tan beta is h by x. I've supposed this to be h and this to be x. So tan beta is what? 4 by 5. So this is h by x. So here we can write x is equals to what? 5h by 4. Now in similar manner, in triangle ADC, tan alpha is what? H by x plus 50. Tan alpha is given to us 3 by 5. H is h. In place of x, I'll put what? 5h by 4 plus 50. So I'll solve it. 3 by 5, this 4 will go there, 4h, 5h plus 4 into 5, that is 200. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. Thus I'll get what? 15h plus 600 equals 20h. Thus 5h is equals to 600. So h will be what? 120 meter. So height of the tower is what? 120 meter. So sometimes they mention that tangent of angle. That means they are talking about tan alpha, tan beta. Now see, the question is vertical pole and vertical tower are on the same level ground. Let's suppose this is a level ground. So here this is what? Vertical pole. BC is vertical pole, I'll assume. And this AE is vertical tower. Now they are saying from the top of the pole के टॉप से, angle of elevation of the top of the tower, इसके ऊपर angle of elevation is of how much? 60 degree. And angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degree. That means obviously इसके foot से angle of depression is what? 30 degree. So this angle will be what? 30 degree, because this angle of depression is 30 degree. Now they have told if height of pole is 20 meter. This is what? 20 meter. We have to calculate height of the tower. That means we have to calculate this h. Now we'll solve it. So I'll consider this point to be E. Oh, sorry, this point I'll consider to be D. So if I'll solve it, so first of all, as this is 20, so this will be also 20. So this AD will be what? H minus 20. What I have considered? AE as H and AD will be what? H minus 20. Now CE को हम consider करेंगे X, तो BD will be also X. So this is also X and this is also X. Now in triangle ADB, tan 60. Tan 60 is what? H minus 20 by X, perpendicular by base. Tan 60 is what? It is root 3 by X. So we'll get X is equals to H minus 20 by root 3. Now we'll take which triangle? This one, BCE. In triangle BCE, tan 30 is 20 by x, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So here x is equals to what? 20 root 3, and this is equals to h minus 20 by root 3. So when we'll solve it, because we know x is equals to this, so when we'll solve it, root 3 into root 3, 3 into 20, 60. So 60 is equals to h minus 20. Thus height of the tower will be what? 80 meter. So this is how I've explained you how can we draw diagram by reading the question, and it makes our question very simpler and very easier. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel.